Back in the day, back in my days, life was hard. Heat was created by flame. Lights were candles. Every house had a fireplace, and house fires were common. And then, the legendary fridge was invented. The leftovers were eaten stone cold. The world had basically frozen over. Then, on one especially cold day, a breakthrough was made. Meet Mitch, the microwave.
The one-size-fits-all solution to cold leftovers are those pizza rolls that have been sitting in your freezer for 20 years. Mitch has quite a noisy personality and has warmed up my mood by warming up food on so many occasions. He is so comforting and even holds stuff on top. Such a useful kitchen appliance.